Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Now we'll continue with the chapter number 17. Forest. Now I'm going to teach you forest product and their utility. Student, in the previous chapter you have studied this. This is very easy and interesting. Forests are useful to mankind in many ways. Timber wood from teak, sal is used for furniture, that you know very well. Boats are prepared from the wood of the Sundri trees of Sundarban. Sports goods, packing box are prepared from the wood of pine and cheat trees. Turpentine also you know that made from the liquid of the cheat trees. Sandalwood that used for perfume and cosmetics. Baskets, toys, goods, home decoration made from the bamboo trees. Food, forests also provide wax, resin, gum, rubber, honey, cane, amla, beda, herde, ashwagandha, medicine, jadi booties. Students, you know this. Now, this vegetation and medicinal utility. Now, students, you have heard about the vegetations and that medical utility. Now, sarpagandha that used in a high blood pressure. Limbdo is a bacterial resistant. Then tulsi, you know very well, students, cold, cough, and fever. Okay, Arjun Sad, the treatment for heart alignment. Billy, gas and cough impurities. Galo, diabetes, fever, joint pain. Herde, constipation, hair disease. Amla cures gas, acidity and digestive system. Karanj, skin and dental gum disease. Beside the leaf plates of khakro trees, katechu from kher trees, bidi that prepared from the timru leaves are also prepared. Forest provide livelihood. Livelihood means what, students? Income. Food to the forest dweller. Forest dweller means the tribals, those who are living in the forest area. These way forests contribute into the social and economic development of the mankind. Now, environmental importance of the forest. The environmental importance of the forest is as follows. Forests are useful because trees are bringing the rain. They control the atmosphere for becoming adverse. They provide life-saving oxygen. We receive oxygen from the trees. Forests control the floods. They absorb harmful gases like carbon dioxide. Forests prevent the soil erosion. Forests maintain the groundwater. Forests restrict the advancing the deserts. A desert can be stopped with the help of the forest. Forests are useful in reducing air pollution. Forests increases the natural beauty. Forests purify the air. Forests are ideal place for adventure, means picnic and all tourism activities. And such forests are reserved in the reference to national parks, sanctuaries and biodiversity. Students, environmental importance of the forest will ask for 2 marks. You have to prepare it. Now, forest conservation. Why there is a need for the conservation of the forest? Now, forest conservation. Ecosystem is formed due to the interrelation of biosphere and mankind. But due to the anti-environmental activities, selfishness of the man, ecosystem totally disturbed. Man insatiable, मतलब तृप्ति ना होना, desire to get the land is responsible for the destruction of the forest, means reasons of the destruction of the forest. Forests are destroyed also due to the increasing population, policy of establishing industrial units away from the residential areas. Many people are now living in the urbanization, multi-purpose projects, construction of the roads, jhum cultivation to get the timber, means wood, fuel, wood, forest fire. These all are the reasons of the destruction of the forest. Now, which are the effects? Which are the effects of the forest destruction? Due to the destruction of the forest, clear, decrease in rainfall, drought, global warming, greenhouse effects, advancing deserts, shelterness of the wild animals started wandering from one place to another. According to national policy of 1952, there must be a forest over 33% of the total geographical area of the nation, students. But in India, forests are spread only 23% of area, and in Gujarat only 10%. So thus it is very necessary to prevent the destruction of the forest, students. It is our moral duty to conserve the forest. Now, remedies to conserve forest, this is a big question. This will ask for 3 to 4 marks, students. You have to do it. In order to protect and conserve forest, in order to save the forest, the government of India implemented National Forest Policy in the year 1952. In 1980, the Parliament passed the Legislative Act, and in 1988 a new national policy was announced. Following steps should be taken to preserve the forest. Students, you have to remember these all 7 points only. Forests are our nation resource. So it is our moral duty to protect them. Second, tree felling should be stopped. A very big and heavy punishment should be given to the person, those who are cutting the tree. To increase the public participation, one Mahotsav social forestry tree must be planted on the either sides of the wasteland, river, railway track or roads, or raise them. Create awareness about environment through environmental education, school syllabus, celebrate environmental related days. So like to know these all the days you have to remember for MCQ students. 21st March celebrated as a World Forest Day. 22nd April celebrated as Earth Day, and these you know students. 5th June celebrated as a World Environment Day. July full month celebrated as One Mahotsav. 16th September, that you know very well, World Ozone Day. Take precaution to avoid forest fire and try to douse मतलब बुझा देना. Use renewable energy resource such as solar energy, bioenergy, wind energy, so we can save wood. Okay, so wood can be saved. Explain the importance of the forest to the people through broadcasting media and bring public awareness about it. Now textual question answer. Why is diversity of vegetation seen in India? Page number 131, natural vegetation, first paragraph, diversities can be seen. What is the environmental importance of the forest? Students over here, page number 134, the blue line, environmental importance of the forest, full you have to write down. What are the reasons of the forest destruction? Page number 132, 2 lines, and page number 134, first paragraph, answer is there. Effects of forest destruction, page number 135, second paragraph. Tropical evergreen forests are called evergreen forest. In that the page number 131, in that the last two lines, this why tropical evergreen forest called the evergreen forest. State the types of the forest, all 6 types of the forest you have to write it down. Write about the utility of the forest, page number 134. The utility means usefulness of the product, that you have to write it down. Elaborate the remedies of the forest protection. 135, 7 remedies given to you. Page number 135, 7 remedies given to you, that you have to write it down. Now MCQ, which place does India hold in the world? That 10th position. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Thorny bush that found in the mountainous area of Himalaya. Now in that the B1 is correct, and 4th one, turpentine.